guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is part 2 of my Christmas decorate video or series. I wanted to give you guys a little mood, let's set the mood. So I got a little background going in here. I wanted to start off in the bedroom because of course everybody's in the front. It gets a little loud out there, so I wanted to just give you guys a nice little intro. Basically in this video I will be decorating my tree, and then also I will be sharing a simmer pot recipe, which basically, if you guys or some people I know, they're not really into candles and all those type of things, which you can find candles that are more natural type of candles. I love candles, but simmer pots, I actually have been loving simmer pots lately, so I am sharing a simmer pot recipe with you guys that you can use in your home when you're decorating or you have family and friends over. You want to have a nice aroma going through your home. That's something that you guys can do. You can definitely have a simmer pot going. So I do have that in this video. And then also I will also be sharing a holiday punch. Now the holiday punch actually can be used also for Thanksgiving or any time of the year that you feel festive or you want to use it, but I thought this would definitely be a good video to share it with you guys. And in this holiday punch, it is a non-alcoholic beverage, but as we go through I will let you guys know that you can add alcohol to it if you want to spruce it up for your friends and family and make it more an adult-friendly cocktail. Now for my Christmas tree decorating, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of it. I'm going to start off decorating and then I'll just cut back into me showing the tree fully decorated, because this is something that I love doing with my family. It's a tradition that we do together, and I don't want to take away from that from them with me doing YouTube and taking away that family tradition that we do. And of course they're not on YouTube, I am, so I just want to give them their privacy, and right now they're not going to go on YouTube with me decorating the tree. So we're going to do that together. So I will show me doing some of the decorations, and then I'll cue off, and then I'll cue back on with the tree being fully decorated. I don't have all my items. I did also order some poinsettias, if I said it properly, but they have not arrived as of yet, and I could not find any in store when I went to Hobby Lobby, and they're sold out online. A lot of stores don't have them. I even checked early, and for some reason they've out of stock. So probably this year I have to start thinking for next year, if I want certain things I have to buy them early, because there are some things that I want in my decor this year that I started looking around for early, went back to get them, and they're actually gone because I'm looking for more of a bargain. I didn't want to overspend this year. I wanted to just keep it basic and affordable. I did find some things that I liked at, you know, Crate and Barrel and those type of stores, but they were a little bit more high end, a little bit more pricey, and I wanted some things that were a little bit more cheaper and more affordable, and those things are sold out. So if they actually come back in stock, you know, before the season is over, I may buy them and still add them as we go. And while I'm doing like my cleaning videos or just my regular vlogs, I'll add them into those particular videos. But enough of rambling for now. I'm glad that you guys are here. And again, leave a Christmas tree emoji in the comments below just to show that you guys are here and you're ready for this, and you know, getting prepared for the seasons and all that good stuff. And we're gonna head into the front and get that tree started. In front, this is how the tree looks. I got this tree from Walmart a couple of years ago. It is a pre-lit tree. It's about 6 feet or a little over 6 feet. This collar is new. I got that from Target. That was about 40 bucks. The tree I think was about 70. And then these are what I'm using. I had these picks from last year. Those are from Hobby Lobby. I got these bulbs from Big Lots this year. These just came from Amazon. I'm not too happy with them, so I'll probably be sending those back, but I wanted to show you guys the look that I was going for. And then these bulbs here are a mixture of Hobby Lobby, Target, I believe, and Walmart. This is from Target as well, and I just liked how sparkly they were, so I got these. And then these are also, I believe, Walmart, a mixture as well. I'm not sure if I'm using these right here, but just in case if I wanted some more pops of gold, that's why I did that. So now I'm going to just start adding the stuff onto the tree.
But I had no
So these branches are actually from this store boutique that I got off of Instagram. I can link it below if you guys want to know. And they're nice because they light up, and they also have like other lit trees and things like that that you can get from there. The other little tree that I have that I got from them, I actually put it up in my nook in the front of my house, which I'm not showing here, but that's where I'm putting that other piece at. But they definitely have like a lot of lighted branches and trees that you can check out if you're looking to add some type of lighted fixtures to your home for the holidays. And then I also, being that I was getting my flock stuff out, I wanted to just go ahead and put up my garlands at the top there. I just wanted to get that out the way so I wouldn't have to come through and do any extra type of dusting or anything like that. And being that I had that bin out there, I just wanted to get those things out of the bin, put those up there so I can get that bin out of there and put it back in the garage. And then later on, I'll come back through and add my pictures up there and whatever else. And I think I'm basically going to leave it how it is. I think I'll just add my lights to the garland at the top. And then after that, just leave it how it is. I wanted to add deer up there, but I'm not sure if I'm going to even do that right now because I can't find the ones that I wanted. And right now it looks nice how it is. But when I do the next decorate, you guys will definitely see that.
I woke up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Ooh. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV. We can do what we wanna do. Walk under the moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to
Y'all, this garland always gives me a hard time when I try to put it up here, but thank goodness I actually have hooks that are already up there that I keep there year round. So all I'm doing right here is just, you know, trying to lay it out properly and get it wrapped around the hooks so it can stay up there neatly and won't fall down. See how you can hardly see this? I'm going to use that to see if I can prop it up. Okay, that is much better, you guys. You can see it much better from here when it's propped up. Let me show you guys how it looks from back here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing to the other side so you can see it. When you're further back, you'll see the other one as well. On to our holiday drink. Here I have 2 sprigs of rosemary. We have pineapple juice, cranberry juice, frozen lemonade, Sprite, 1 orange, and also some cranberries. And I decided to put it in my juice dispenser. Here we have Mason, my helper, pouring ice into the jar. So you're definitely going to want to fill your either jar or your bowl with ice. And then also you're going to just fill it up with all of your ingredients combined. This is a non-alcoholic beverage. However, if you do want to make it more of an adult-friendly cocktail, you can add in champagne, you can add in rum. It just depends on what you want to do. I usually make a non-alcoholic beverage, and then later on the side, the adults usually add in, some rum and things like that if they want to make a more, adult-friendly cocktail. And I will have it linked in the description box below. And what I'm going to do is just take half of the orange and put into the bowl here, or to the dispenser. The other half I'm going to use to garnish my drink with. And as you guys saw earlier, I'm going to use the ice cubes that I made with the cherries, and that's what I'm going to be putting in there to garnish the drink with. So I'm going to garnish it with the cherry ice pops that I made, and then also the rosemary and also the oranges. And then also while we're doing this, I decided to go ahead and make a cute little tray to display our juice on it, since it's supposed to be a holiday tray. The dispenser is actually from Walmart. I've had it for a while. I have 2 of them. The tray is from Target. The little tree that I'm going to be using is from the dollar spot. The acorns are from a stem that I pulled off of. And then the garland that I'm going to be using is from Hobby Lobby. The drinking glasses are from Kirkland's, I believe. And then also the little dishes that I had are just some crystal dishes that I had from before. Hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas clean and decorate. Definitely let me know if you tried any of the recipes that I shared, and stay tuned for part 3 of my Christmas clean and decorate, and I'll see you guys in the next video.